All right, guys. Saludos, amigos. Kash, your president and CEO of Kash International Luxury Real Estate. Hey, guys, guess what we're doing here today? Some rain coming, but I want to show you something really special, something really cool. Okay, we're going to walk along this. Here we go. Beautiful Las Terrenas, ladies and gentlemen. I'm here in the Dominican Republic, and I want to show you a project that is underway here. Okay, back September, what was the date? September 4th, 2021. All right, September 4th, 2021. What happened here in Las Terrenas was the second fire in one of the most cherished locations here in Las Terrenas, called Pueblo, Pescadores. Okay, as you guys know, or may not know, Las Terrenas origins are of it was a fishing village originally, okay? A charming little fishing village, and one of the key locations for dining and eating and entertainment was Pueblo Pescadores, okay? September 4th, 2021, massive fire. It burned all of what you see right here. Turn around and have a look. All of what you see right here burned down to the ground. So many of you already saw this, okay? So many of you have already seen this, and this structure was completely decimated and destroyed. The community, the government, hats off to David Collado, Minister of Tourism. They all got together, and guess what they did? They rebuilt the entire thing. Look how close we are to its completion. It really is a sign of progress in Las Terrenas. It's a sign of how great when a community gets behind. Apparently 80% of the community got behind this entire project, okay? You can see how amazing this looks. So there's gonna be multiple oceanfront restaurants. Turn around and have a look at the view, how beautiful that's gonna be. Okay, November 2024, this is going to be fully completed. It's going to be full of specialized restaurants. A lot of the original spots that were here were able to re-secure their spaces and re-secure their locations. So you're going to have some of the top restaurants here in Las Terrenas. You're going to have the top nightlife. All of this stuff is, and this time it's being built. Apparently it was an electrical fire that caused this. So this time around, guys, it's going to be, bulletproof. They've created the proper infrastructure. They've created the proper footings. This is going to be a top tier destination here in the Dominican Republic. Pueblo Pescadores, November 2024. So today, as of today, today's date, it is September of 2024. So we got another 4 months. It is scheduled to be fully finished. But I just want to give you a quick update because it looks amazing. You can see exactly, they kept the old charm, created a new structure, more indoor seating spaces in here, tons of outdoor seating space. I believe it's like 14 restaurants, 14 bars, restaurants that are going to be here. So when you guys are here for the on season to come and see us to look at some real estate, good chance this is going to be done for you as well. We'll bring you out. You can check it out. What's happening here is this is rejuvenating all the real estate around this area, okay? Playa Las Terrenas. Playa Las Terrenas is experiencing a massive jolt, a massive expansion. And as you guys can see, nothing matches the beauty of Las Terrenas. So look at the beautiful views. You're out in the distance, you've got Playa Punta Papi, okay? You got all the beautiful restaurants over there. You got the original Fisherman's Village right here. If you look off to the right, right over here, you guys can see you got the original Fisherman's Village right there, okay? Amazing little restaurants, very quaint, quiet. This is going to be something really special, and this adds to your marketability if you're doing this as an investor and you're buying property and you want to Airbnb it out and generate that passive income. Guys, this is exactly what's going to help you drive that, all right? So we got numerous properties in this area. We got Playa Las Terrenas residences. We got a few things over there. We got a villa that we're bringing to the market that's just a few steps away from here. We've got some opportunities over here at Atlantic Hotel. We've got a bunch of different opportunities. So reach out to myself and my team. My name's Kash. I'm president and CEO of Kash International Luxury Real Estate. In Las Terrenas, we got Brian, we got Lila. We got the whole team here ready to assist and guide you guys in your search for paradise. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Just a quick update. November 2024, it's coming. Love where you live. Talk to you soon. Hey guys, in typical Kash fashion, I just want to jump up here and give you guys a sneak peek at how beautiful these views are going to be. Look at this. Isn't this amazing? Look how beautiful this is all coming out. Let's hop on. Here's a sneak peek. They're sleeping for lunch, so I'm going to jump in here and show you guys what it's like. It's pretty cool, eh, Bri?
Yeah, it's cool.
The indoor setup is nice. They got nice wood floor. They kept it very quaint, very real. And you can see, guys, they're close, man. They're really, really close to being done here. Looks so cool. There's the views outside. So if it is raining and stormy, you still got access. Here's the main entrance. You can see everything, all the electricity. They got fire. You see the fire. What's it called? The fire system. Yeah, suppression systems are in place. Man, what a great job. So you're going to be able to come out here. Before you were able to walk straight through. One spot to another. So the one change I can see they did make, Brian, is before you were able to walk straight through. So what they've done this time is you walk out to the street and then you go restaurant to restaurant, which is, you know, a different spin. I think I kind of liked how everybody was all interconnected before. I thought that was cool, but they changed it up. So you walk out and then come in. It does give you more of a feel of having your own rented space, though. I think that there's a benefit to that. So when people are renting these spaces, which are all rented out, every single one of them. I've tried already to get one, but impossible, all gone. You have your own space.
Cool, like touches on the lights.
Yeah, you know, they've kept a lot of charm. As I said, it's originally a fishing village. And, well, these guys are a little, yeah, looks like that's part of the build out. You can see some are a little more advanced. You got these outdoor lighting features in the distance over there. And just the views are just to die for. I wanted to come up here and show you guys. You can see the boats off in the distance. You can see exactly how stunningly beautiful this is. I'm going to zoom in a little bit for you. So right there, if you choose, you can go to, these are a little more quaint, smaller spots. You can go check them out. You got the restaurants of Playa Punta Papi in the distance. Off in the distance over there, we got Atlantic Hotel. Okay. And when you revert back here, you got Playa Las Terrenas. But yeah, really cool stuff. November 2024, that's what it's slated for. And this might be your first sneak peek of things to come. All right, we're grabbing a sandwich. Lila's grabbing us a couple sandwiches from Punta Italia. We're across from the ships. Mosquitoes over there. This is where the entrance is going to be, and you're going to be able to walk all the way up and down, back and forth. It's going to create a lot of really good flow of traffic. All right, guys, that's it for that one. I just wanted to, I wasn't sure if I should jump in there, but I'm glad I did. You can see what they look like on the front side. You can see all the lighting features Brian was talking about. Open air, just very, very, very cool. All right, guys, remember, make us your first phone call. Talk to you soon. Love where you live.